We are here at Main Street Station Hotel in downtown Las Vegas, where the only buffet is left here. So let's head inside and check it out. So we got seated here. It took a little while to get a table because it is a Saturday night. It is pretty busy here. It's almost 7 p.m. So we have 2 more hours to stuff our faces with all the goodness that is around us. So let's eat and kick things off with the first plate. Two out of 2. This is going very, very well. Let's try a spring roll. Hubby's plate. Ooh, shrimpies. I might steal one.
No.
Spring roll is nice, but it's been sitting there for a while. But not bad. Next up, fried rice. I always like some fried rice.
They get free shots because they're married.
That is okay.
That is okay.
All right, Mongolian beef. Looked like it was a little bit burned, but it's not. It's actually a nice flavor. That is so far so good. All right, next up. Massive beef rib. It's gonna be fun. Mm. That is. That's nice. Nice. That's yeah. It does not have like a crazy amount of flavor, but could be a little bit warmer. Thank you. All right. Last but not least, we're gonna hope for the fried chicken. Better? Fine. Let's see if this is dry. Who loves the skin part of a chicken? I absolutely love that. Skin is the best. You just have to agree with me. Let me know in the comments if you think the skin is the best part of a fried chicken. It is very crispy. It is nice. Let's try the chicken itself. If it's dry or not, it looks not dry. So let's see. No, not dry. It's a really nice fried chicken. So, I'm gonna finish this. Toby is gonna finish this. Can I try the shrimp? Try fried shrimp. Shrimpy. Mmm. That's good. This is nice and warm, which actually surprised me. Okay, I'm gonna finish this and then on to our next plate. Ready for my second plate. So, what's on here? Are crab legs. I had never, ever in my life had crab legs. I don't know how to eat this. I don't know what it's supposed to taste like, so I just don't know what to do with it. I have seen it online, so I have no clue. It has like nice little cuts. Oh, I think this is good, right? This is good. This is a good thing. And then dip it in butter. Is it a bad thing to say that I don't like it? Are people gonna hate me for this? Because I do not really understand the hype about crab legs. No, I'm sorry. I don't like it. Let's try the shrimp. Pretty big. I do know what a shrimp is and what it tastes like, so don't worry. Oh, that has a lot of pepper on it. Well, but they're okay. Not really a lot of flavor because of the pepper. So, just gonna leave that. Maybe the hubby wants to try some of the crab legs. Maybe he likes it. Let's go for the prime rib. It looks a little bit like medium well done. I'm more of a medium rare. But that is very moist. That is Really nice flavor. I like it a lot. That was good. I'm sorry, I don't like crab legs. Maybe I will try it again at another buffet, but for now, that is a no for me. So let's finish up the prime rib, the tomato mozzarella, and then I think it's time for dessert. Finishing up with the desserts, there is like nowhere a sign where it says what it is, so I just grabbed 4 items. Well, this must be an apple pie, obviously. I think this is like a pecan. Oh, maybe it's a cinnamon roll. This is a pecan pie, I guess, and obviously cannoli. And then the hubby got, I think this is a malasada cookie, and that's like the rice, like the thick rice. How do you say that? I cannot remember it, but it's, yeah, I think that's it. And then this is, what is this? Like vanilla pudding or something? Okay, here we go. Let's try the cannoli first. It's really, really soft. I guess it's really old, but flavor is not bad. But let's try cinnamon roll with pecan on top, I guess. How's that? Is it a little bit warm? That is nice. It's not really a cinnamon roll, but it has some vanilla on top, pecans. This is really nice. All right. Let's try this cute little pecan pie. Can I just take it out? Yeah. I always like a pecan pie. I like the crust. I like the filling. It is sweet, but not too sweet, so that is really nice. Apple pie. You always gotta have an apple pie. So where we are from, apple pie is our signature, so that is very fresh. Very fresh apple pie. Crust is nice and soft. Filling is really, really nice and very apple. All right, malasada first. Nice cream filling. Very sweet as it should be. I like it. Cookie, always cookie. But I noticed there is like no gluten-free options for dessert. You do have some no sugar added, but nothing gluten-free, so. Nice and chewy. Chewy cookie. All right. The rice, it's really, really hard. So I hope I won't break my teeth. But I don't like this. We see it a lot here in the United States, but I don't understand this really. It doesn't have really nice flavor. It's fine. All right. I think this is the vanilla pudding. Is it vanilla pudding? Yeah? Oh, no. Oh. I guess I'm not really a big fan of pudding. No. I don't get a lot of taste either. It's really bland. I don't like the texture. That's no. That's a no for me. All right. I'm gonna share this with the hubby. We're gonna finish this up and then we'll tell you if this buffet is really worth it.
5 minutes later.
All right, finishing up here. Overall, I would say it was nice. Some things were pretty good, but some things were pretty bad as well. The total amount that we paid for 2 person is 67.17. This is on a Saturday night, the dinner buffet. Overall, I would say if you do not have like any discount and you have to pay full price, I would not say it's really worth it. If you can get this like complimentary, if you are a rewards certain tier holder, I would say yes. But if you have to pay the full amount, I would not really recommend it. Anyways, I hope you really liked this video. Let me know in the comments if you have ever tried the only buffet in downtown Las Vegas here in Main Street Station. Let me know what your thoughts are, and we will see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Little warning for you, I eat with my hands. I'm sorry.